Every day I'm hustling, 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 hustling. Every day I'm hustling, every day. Hey y'all, this hair is going to be from OMGqueen today. And this is my hair a month and some change after getting my fresh braids. I'm going to do a flashback of when I first started my channel.
Your hair is long. What you're going to do is braid your hair going straight back. In my scenario, my hair is a short little afro.
Woo child, the growth. But this is a permed Yaki wig, and it's very natural. You know, this is for my people who want to wear wigs, but they're really not that extravagant. You're just, you know, it's an everyday wig that you can wear. All right, y'all know I'm crazy as hell, right? So I seen this on Instagram. These people in another country were doing it, so I'm about to give it a try. Back to what I was saying, this is for my people who want to wear wigs. This is just an everyday woman wig, you know, just very simple. It's easy to install. The knots come bleached already. You literally just have to cut the lace off, flat iron it, and I'm going to show y'all exactly how to do it. Please do not try this at home, okay? When I seen the video, it looked like it was going to be easy. It looked like a pretty good idea, but this iron is really heavy, for one. And for two, I'm so focused on trying not to burn my face off. Then I'm trying not to burn this lace. Please do not try this. It looked like a good idea at the time, and it felt like a good idea, but it ain't working out. It's ironing it, and it's getting it, you know, silky or whatever, but this is a long process, so I ain't about to do all that. We just gonna go back to the basics. I'm using my Conair flat iron. You can only get this model at ulta.com. I'll attach the link down below. This is a permed Yaki texture, you guys. And I really love this kind of hair because it looks so natural. It really matches, you know, Black people's hair texture, at least mine, because I know there are some of us out there that just got that Puerto Rican pecan hair. I ain't got that type of hair. This is literally what my hair looks like when I had a perm. I really love this texture. And the look that I'm going for today is just a little mommy look. All I'm doing is going to the grocery store. Me and Bae, we going to the grocery store. We having guests over today. Gonna fry some chicken. Yep. Once you flat iron the whole wig, you're gonna put some bio silk on it and finish with the styling process. I don't really like, you know, how the bang part is coming downwards, so I'm gonna go ahead and make my own bang. I like my bangs to come in my face, so what I'm doing is parting the hair horizontally and just flat ironing the hair to come downwards in my face. Once I've done that, it's forming how I want it to form, and now you're just going to get your flat iron and actually form it into a bang. And you're going to have to layer it a little bit. Just style it to your own preference. I had to go put my lashes on because I was looking like a little mole rat, okay? But this hairstyle is like very natural. I love this hair texture, you guys. Like, this is one of my favorite hair textures aside from curly, because curly is my all-time favorite. But I really love this hair texture just because of how natural it looks. I really love it. And I think this is like my third or fourth time using OMGqueen. Y'all could go shop with them. I'm gonna put all the information in the description box, and let me finish.
Like I said, I think this is like my 3rd or 4th time reviewing for this company, and I can honestly say that I actually like this company. I like this hair. This is something that I would recommend you guys go and spend your money on. This hair doesn't give me any issues. But thank y'all for tuning in. As always, I love you guys or whatever.